Which types of companies do you believe are a good fit for Business Central?
Yeah, I mean, Business Central is, it's a vast, a lot of companies that it can be. And to be honest, in my role as implementation director overseeing it, I don't really get, a choice of which one. So many of the, as sales goes through and makes their decisions, we take on any ones they bring. So I see it for, small, medium. We even have some large size. So if, depending on what you're doing, anywhere from 3 users up to over 250 for sure, we have customers. So I think that, the best fit when you look and we talk about it is just not size, but we talk about the culture of these companies. The best companies that we work with while implementing are the ones that are able to commit to change, understand, and not be stuck in a certain way. They're willing to change. And what I'm finding too is just as we go through this, it does take a full team. So a full team on the client side committed to it with a lot of buy-in from the upper management to make sure that these projects go smooth. So those are the best ones that I enjoy working with because they're willing to indoor change and work through implementations.
So what you're saying is one of the beauties of Business Central is that it's versatile and can work with many different industries.
Yes, it's. I think they when Microsoft came out and looked at all the different ways and verticals, right? One of the great things about it is there is so many different verticals and so many different. Just not even using verticals, just between distribution, manufacturing. The software really is a good fit for both of those, financials, service management. There's so many different types of industries that it's really hard for me to say it's a good fit for something in particular. It's typically a good fit for a lot of companies.
Yeah, I think we've seen a lot of companies that have that broad set of requirements, right? So maybe you have inventory you need to keep track of and purchase. And obviously you sell it, but you may also be a manufacturer who's manufacturing things. And then when you sell it, you have to service those items that you sold, right? So I think to your point, it seems like companies that have like a broad range of requirements, inventory and manufacturing related, seem to be a good fit. But a lot of our customers just are financials only.
Right.
So
we do quite a bit of financial only projects, and it's definitely a good fit for that. And has a lot of functionality in that. And it also gives them the ability to move it's not just financials, which is great. So a company that only does financials has the ability to grow into the software.